Hello everyone, Klaus here, and today we are going to be building a computer for my client. He wanted an $800 build that was capable of 240 frames per second and at 1080p. We got 7600 and B650, 216 gigabytes of RAM, 990 Pro for 2 terabytes, a 1 terabyte, PX4, his Windows 11, and up here fans. All of these parts will be in the description down below. If you want to follow along and follow my journey on computer building, please leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And all of the links to these products will be in the description down below. And there we are. Show you the setup for this. This is the motherboard. Oh yeah. Cha-ching, cha-ching. There's both of those in. Kingston Fury. I'm gonna go 2 and 4. Well, it doesn't really matter with these since I already got two of these, so we can go all of them. All of them are going to be used. One. I don't know why I'm shaking so much today. 2. 3. It is gonna seem like you're breaking them when you're putting them in, but you're not. You truly are not. Alrighty. I am going to make another. Here's your Ryzen chip. Be tremendously careful with this. see, just like that. I'm going to double check because I always double check. And there's that end. Might seem like it's the hardest part, but it's the easiest to me. And I got some MX4 thermal paste. And I always do an X shape. Not too much, not too little. If I need more, put more. You don't have to do this. You really truly don't, but I do it just to be safe. Put that off to the side. Alright, see. Got a PX4. I got the replacement bracket off. Always remember to peel. Peeled. I'm actually gonna do it this way. Make sure you grab your cord. Alrighty, got it on. It was a pain to get on, but we got it on. So, I'm gonna find my book. I am now putting in the motherboard into the case. Hand tighten them. Do not overextend these because these are going into the motherboard. Alrighty. There's those. And you got F panel, HD audio, USB 3, and SATA. and this is F panel. And with this case, I can put 2 in the front, 1 in the back, or 2 in the back, and 3 on the bottom. So I will be right back. We do got the fans in. There we go. We have everything situated. And we are good to put the PSU in. I will see you once I have that. My girlfriend will be talking throughout this video on the phone.
She's
so sorry for in advance. She's alive. I will go over configs and everything here in a minute. See you in a minute. Alrighty, we just got the Windows put into the system, and we are now copying Windows to the driver, which I'm doing the 1 terabyte for now because he has an extra 2 terabytes for his free space. And then I can put the side panel back on, and I'll show you how. I'll just tell you. F panel is front. Make sure you have that plugged in completely, or you'll have to take out your graphics driver and all that finagling. Always put the Windows drive, because you can have a backup, because this is my own Windows 11 Pro drive, which can, if people have Windows 11 Pro, I can take my own USB and download it onto their thing and then use their product key. So you don't have to pay the $200 for, well, I think it's like $150 for Windows 11 Home. But you get, I'll show you after I get done installing. Product keys in here. I'm not going to show you what his is. Restarting, and after it restarts, you can unplug it. Make sure it turns off though.
So it's harder to get her out of bed. It's easier to get into bed. To get her out with the bottle. There's 3 of them.
And then it'll go starting services. It's just gonna say getting ready. Make sure you never unplug this when you're doing a BIOS update, as if you do, you'll freak up your motherboard. But I'll see you back whenever we're at home. And there we are. Show you the setup for this, since this is my favorite part. United States, pick your region. US. Skip. I don't do that right now. Type in your internet password, because you can't install Windows without internet. Always remember that key factor. For that from in the back of my PC, and use that fast connection. 2.5. There we go. Now it's connected. the Cinebench test, which just tests everything on the load. Top was 85, which is okay for this. It's okay for this CPU processor, whatever one you want to say. Upgraded it to Windows 11 Home. Updated the BIOS. I didn't update the BIOS actually. I updated the drivers for the CPU, GPU, and Windows. I didn't need to update the BIOS for this one, and there really isn't a later date BIOS for this generation. I downloaded the Wi-Fi driver, LAN driver. Downloaded the app shop for Asus. And now we are just waiting for the Windows 11 to get done. So once that is done, the computer will be complete. So any questions and concerns, you can leave a comment, or you can get with me on my website. I always leave it in the description down below for every YouTube video that I make. And I will also leave the products for this build in the description. So thank you for watching, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.